This is the cluster that I created, and if you notice, it has, my daughter and I did this. I don't know if my, which, oh, that one's come off. So good, because I could add more. I wanted to add this color in here, this pretty pink. So I'm just going to get some glue, and I can staple these, but I don't want any staples in my Bible. So I'm just going to come in here and glue this, just a little bit of glue, just to keep these together so it's not flying out everywhere. All right. Here we go. So I do have this, right? And this is my hand. Now I'm going to paper clip this in. I'm not going to glue this in. So I do want my hand in here, though. I do want my hand in here, and I may just keep chopping that off. I just want the hand. There we go. That's all I'm going to do is the hand. And I can color the hand with some colored pencils. Let that dry. Now, so it says, humble yourselves therefore under the mighty hand of God, that he may exalt you in due time, casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. Love that. And I like this. This is super cute. So I am going to actually paper clip this up here, maybe. And this is not going to match. I'm trying to find one. That one. Maybe. Yeah, that maybe. Okay. Okay, so that was our day 2 for the cookies for the recipe of soul. And this word for today is reverence. So I hope you enjoyed the reading. I read this in the group. So check out the links down below where that you can find out more videos about the recipes for the soul March. And this is our cookies for the day. So we have daily cookies. I'm doing 12 daily cookies. And this is our Scrappy Bible cluster. So stay tuned for the next days for this event. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful and blessed day.